So that gives us immediately an idea of how, quote unquote, well managed our economy has been. Of course, these are the four charts that make that up. The unemployment rate, you can see the trajectory is going up, and this is at third quarter last year. Then, of course, maximum lending rate. All of these are official data. Anyway, these rates are from the Central Bank of Nigeria. This is from MBS. Inflation rate is from MBS. Of course, trending downwards, quite alright. But interestingly, at least the actual inflation rate now is below the trend line. It's some good news. Then, of course, GDP growth rate has slowed twice consecutively. But I will come to that shortly. Now, when you look at this picture, the GDP growth rate slowed during the first quarter of 2018 and then slowed further in the second quarter of 2018, and both coming from 2.11% in the fourth quarter of 2017. Now, this is more glaring in the next chart, because what I want to bring out there is that it shows clearly an urgent need for intervention, because we are soon to be doing the best for the economy, that really data is saying something different. Now, as at the time we had the data for the first quarter, we have sounded a warning to the government that at that point in time, the actual GDP growth rate was about kissing the trend line. I would say if that they continued on that trajectory, the actual will likely fall below the trend line, which has not happened in the second quarter of this year. So it means then that there are some urgent steps that the government needs to do to reverse that. So that gives us immediately an idea of how, quote unquote, well managed our economy has been. Of course, these are the four charts that make that up. The unemployment rate, you can see the trajectory is going up, and this is at third quarter last year. Then, of course, maximum lending rate. All of these are official data. Anyway, these rates are from the Central Bank of Nigeria. This is from MBS. Inflation rate is from MBS. Of course, trending downwards, quite alright. But interestingly, at least the actual inflation rate now is below the trend line. It's some good news. Then, of course, GDP growth rate has slowed twice consecutively. But I will come to that shortly. Now, when you look at this picture, the GDP growth rate slowed during the first quarter of 2018 and then slowed further in the second quarter of 2018, and both coming from 2.11% in the fourth quarter of 2017. Now, this is more glaring in the next chart, because what I want to bring out there is that it shows clearly an urgent need for intervention, because we are soon to be doing the best for the economy, that really data is saying something different. Now, as at the time we had the data for the first quarter, we have sounded a warning to the government that at that point in time, the actual GDP growth rate was about kissing the trend line. I would say if that they continued on that trajectory, the actual will likely fall below the trend line, which has not happened in the second quarter of this year. So it means then that there are some urgent steps that the government needs to do to reverse that.